Hello children, hope you all are in good health. Let's learn was and were. In this video, you are going to understand where to use was and where to use were in the given sentences. As you can see here, was is used with singular and were is used with plural. So let's begin. We use helping verbs was were to talk about past day or past happenings. Children, when we talk about past incidents, past day, past means something has already happened. So when we talk about past day or past happenings, there we use was and were. Was is the past form of is and am. Were is the past form of are. So we have to see and check where we can apply was and were and what are the respective rules using which we can use was and were. Let us see the usage of was. Was is used with singular nouns or pronouns in the past tense. Singular nouns means when we talk about one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Alright. So was is used with singular nouns or pronouns in the past tense. See. Pronouns like I, he, she, it and nouns like girl, Aman. So was is used with singular nouns or pronouns in past tense. Let's understand with the help of examples. See, I was dancing, he was dancing, she was dancing, girl was dancing, child was dancing. So here words like I, he, she, girl, child refers to singular nouns or pronouns and talking about past tense. So we will make use of was here. Alright. So was used with pronouns and singular nouns. See the examples. He was going to the market. It was a rainy day. She was eating chocolate. I was reading a book. Let us see the usage of were. Were is used with plural nouns or pronouns in past tense like you, we, they, girls, children, etc. Let us understand with the help of examples. See, you were dancing, we were dancing, they were dancing, girls were dancing and children were dancing. So words like you, we, they, girls, children refers to plural nouns or pronouns and talking about something that happened in the past. So we will make use of were here. Were used with pronoun and noun plurals like you were absent yesterday, they were playing cricket, we were going to Delhi. But there are some exceptional cases in which you can get confused where to use was and where to use were. Alright, if in the sentences there is a word there. So let us understand with the help of examples. See these sentences. The first one is there was a king. There were many students in the class. Now your doubt is like how will come to know like when we are supposed to use was and when we are supposed to were if the sentence is starting with word there. See, there was a king. Here we are talking about singular. A king. Okay, like a baby, a boy. So, with the singular nouns, like when we are talking about singular nouns, so we will use was with there. Okay. In the second sentence, there were many students in the class. Here we are talking about more than one. You can see in the picture also. So we are talking about more than one means plural nouns. Alright. So we will use where. We will use were over here. Okay. We will use were with the word there. Alright. So there was a king and there were many students in the class. Now let's do practice of was and were. Put was or were in the following sentences. We dash going to market. This is a plural pronoun, so we use were. Alright. As were is used with we. So You will write we were going to market. The next is this tree dash green. Here we are talking about one thing. So with the singular noun we use was. This tree was green. You dash my friend. You were my friend. Were is used with you. It dash hot yesterday. It was hot yesterday. Boys dash late for school. More than one boy we are talking about. So you will write were. Boys were late for school. The baby dash crying. The baby was crying. The flowers dash kept in the vase. The flowers were kept in the vase. So this is a notebook work for you. You have to write the rules which we have just discussed related to use of was and were in this notebook. Alright. Then you have to do practice of was and were in this English notebook. You have to write sentences. You have to complete the sentences using was or were in the blanks. Like I dash reading. So I was reading. Alright. She dash sleeping. So she is a singular pronoun. So what you will write over here with singular pronoun was is used. Alright. So she was sleeping. The next one is the bird dash flying. What will come? The bird was flying. Alright. So children, you have to complete this. After doing this, you can match the answers also. Alright. So there is a homework for you. You have to do practice of was or were in your English notebook. These are few sentences. These are 6 sentences. You have to complete it. Alright. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.